Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Over. Today in this video, how to download YouTube videos and watch it without internet. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. You can do this actually on YouTube application once just installed to iPhone. So I just opened the YouTube here on my iPhone device. I'm just gonna search for my own videos from here on search bar. You can download any video you want. By the way, just tap over here on Takeover. So when I just enter the channel, I got my video. So I just want to download this video to this application. What you're gonna do, you get the download option, as now it's now downloading the video. Where you can find out the downloads, you can tap over here and you can see we got the downloads. So it's now downloading the video. So what's the main case to downloading these videos like this here on YouTube applications? Let me explain about it. It's very easy. You're gonna download it and you can watch it offline when you don't have internet connection. I mean, you can get access to videos when you don't have internet. So I'm just gonna take my phone in airplane mode, just opening the YouTube, and I got my downloaded video and I can just watch it by tapping on opening that. You can see I got the YouTube video just downloaded and it's working great. So this is all about how to download YouTube videos. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.